Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. Honda recommends using Honda genuine parts for your FG110. Change the spark plug every 2 years or 200 hours of operation. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the fan cover bolt. Then remove the fan cover and disconnect the spark plug wire. Use a spark plug wrench to loosen and remove the spark plug. Before installing a new spark plug, make sure the electrode gap is between 0.6 and 0.7 millimeters. Install the new spark plug by hand to avoid cross-threading. After the spark plug seats, tighten it about 1/2 turn . Then reconnect the spark plug wire and reinstall the fan cover.